In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign someone a task in Basecamp. Whether you're organizing a project for work or managing a personal team, assigning tasks clearly is key to keeping everything on track. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to pick the right project, open a task, and assign it to the right person, so they're notified and ready to get started. First, open your Basecamp account and head to the project where the task belongs. On your Basecamp home screen, you'll see a list of your projects. Click into the specific project you're working on. Inside that project, look for the to-do list area. This is where tasks are grouped. If you already have a relevant list, click on it. If not, you can create a new to-do list and give it a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what kind of tasks will live there. Next, you'll need to open the task details. If the task already exists, simply click on that task in the list to open it up. You'll see a panel or page with more information, like the title, description, and options related to that task. If you haven't created the task yet, look for the option to add a new to-do, then type in a clear title and, if helpful, a short description explaining what needs to be done. Within those task details, look for the field that says Assign To. This is where you'll choose who is responsible for the task. It's usually near the title or scheduling options. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit. It's definitely there as part of the task settings. Now it's time to actually assign the person. Click into the Assigned To field and start typing the name of the team member you want to handle the task. Basecamp will automatically suggest people who match what you're typing. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct person, especially if you have teammates with similar names. Finally, click on the right person from the suggestions and then confirm your changes by clicking Save or Assign and Schedule if you're also setting a due date. This step finalizes the assignment and sends a notification to that person so they know a new task is waiting for them. And that's all there is to it. Navigate to the project, open the task, choose who it's assigned to, and save your changes so your team stays aligned and informed.